Makiaria na andiki a mohoro mwena wa Naivasha, kiama giki kuhitukira muikariri giti wakio Omboko Milemba kiugite maiguaniire na komishoni ya kwandika arutani TSC kwandika arutani 20,000 mutaratara uria utanyitwo kuhuthira ciringi bilioni 4.
What the commission needs to ask, and they promised, they have already asked the parliament for them to employ the 20,000 teachers, is a total of 4 billion Kenya shillings. And then we have the 26,000 teachers who are supposed to be confirmed to PNP. That will cost the tune of 7.8 billion Kenya shillings.
Thutha wa kugia na giikaro kiu gia thiku 6 na ruhonge ruru, mwandiki munene wa kiama giki Akelo Misori augite ni maiguithanirie oho kwandika arutani aria makoretwo makiruta wira matekurihwo mutaratara-ini wa kwandikwo arutwo nio interns 2026 kumagia mwaka turorete.
We really appreciate what the government has done so far to recruit interns, to alleviate staffing in our schools. And therefore, currently now, Kuppet lamented the poor staffing of schools. In particular, junior secondary schools where only 2 teachers per stream currently handle all the learning areas.
Misori augite ruhonge rwa TSC rurabatara ciringi bilioni 1 kuma kuri thirikari cia kuriha arutani 30,000 aria marabatarania kwambatirio ikiro. Mibango ino irongoreirie kugacirithia mathomo na njira igwete guku bururi-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigĩ Wanyamũ.